Hi everyone, this is Ashu and today in this video I'm going to tell you about the top IT companies that recruits engineering freshers in India. So these companies are Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, HCL. So I hope आप सबने इन companies के नाम सुने होंगे. So these all companies are multinational companies and India में हम इन companies को mass recruiter companies भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये एक ही टाइम पे बहुत सारे इंजीनियरिंग फ्रेश ग्रेड्स को स्पेसिफिकली इंडियन फ्रेश ग्रेड्स को एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करती है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ लास्ट ईयर, these all companies have provided 2 lakh plus offer of employment to the Indian fresh graduates.
Hi there, we hope you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.